Change doesn't just happen within our services, it also happens across our teams as well as our entire organizations. There's a lot to manage, so how do we know how to get everything moving in the right direction? Well, that's where Service Value System, or SVS, in ITIL 4 concept comes in. In this video, we're going to break down what the SVS actually is, what it does, and why it matters in modern IT service management. Let's start by defining what SVS, or Service Value System, is. SVS is a high-level framework that focuses on how all of the moving parts in an organization fit together and work holistically from an IT service management perspective. Here, we're focused on the people, processes, tools, and even our outside partners and bringing them all together towards one common goal: creating value through providing our services. SVS is flexible, meaning that it can and should be tailored to fit the specific organization that you are in. Whether you're in a fast-moving startup or a large enterprise with multiple services, the SVS model helps our teams work better together. One of the biggest problems that organizations can run into in today's world in terms of offering services is silos. Silos are isolated departments that don't communicate with each other. When one team is handling incidents and another team is running operations and another team is running strategy, many of the times in many organizations, none of them are actually communicating with each other as well as other departments. SVS helps fix silos by creating a shared system, one that encourages open communication, cross-team collaboration, and a clear focus on outcomes. SVS helps provide us with a blueprint that keeps everything together, even when priorities shift. One of the most important concepts in SVS is known as the co-creation of value. The co-creation of value means that value isn't just created by delivering a service to someone. It's created through the interactions between the service provider as well as the service consumer and how the service is actually designed, delivered, and supported. SVS works like an entire system. We take inputs like customer needs, business goals, and feedback, and run those through elements, producing outputs like working services, satisfied users, and better outcomes. There are 5 main elements that make up SVS, and we'll cover each one of those in the upcoming videos. The first element is the guiding principles. These are the main ideas that help us drive good decision-making when it comes to IT service management. Then there's governance. Governance helps us set direction for operations as well as hold teams accountable. Following that, we have the service value chain, also known as SVC. SVC is the main set of activities that we need to do in order to turn needs into results. From there, we have the practices, which are kind of like our basic toolkits for getting work done. Finally, we have continual improvement, which is the ongoing effort to make everything better over time. Each of these aspects plays a crucial role in SVS. One thing to remember is that SVS is an ITIL 4 specific concept. We'll be covering SVS from a high-level overview throughout this section, as well as how we can apply it to IT service management in general. In the next video, we'll dive into the first component of SVS, which is the guiding principles, and we'll cover how they help teams stay focused, flexible, and effective.